Hello everyone. Welcome to objective number 6 presented by Professor Academy, Chennai as a part of its English literature series. And let's go to today's objective. Which of the following writers came up with the iceberg theory of writing? Option A, Ernest Hemingway. Option B, Virginia Woolf. Option C, George Orwell. Option D, William Strunk. Let's pause for a few seconds before we go to the answer. And the answer is option A, Ernest Hemingway. He put forward the iceberg theory in his non-fiction Death in the Afternoon. In it, he draws parallels between an iceberg and a piece of writing. An iceberg amazes us just by showing 1/8 of its size on the surface, not by revealing its entirety. Similarly, a piece of writing can astonish its readers, not by explaining everything in detail, but by expressing the crux economically. This minimalist style of writing for Hemingway can allow the reader to interact with the text and imagine the unsaid. So he says, writers can omit things that they know that the readers know. But he also says, if writers omit things because they don't know them, then the writing will be shallow. Let's look at the other options. Option B, Virginia Woolf. This modernist writer, known for her stream of consciousness novels, had a name for her narrative style, tunneling process. She explores her characters' minds by and by as if she were digging out caves. And one of the ways she tries to capture the inner reality of her characters is by telling the past by installments. And ultimately, she achieves her goal in writing: humanity, humor, and depth. Option C, George Orwell. In his essay, Politics and the English Language, Orwell explains in great detail how to put the English language to great use in one's writing. And here is the crux. Never use a long word where a short one will do. If it is possible to cut a word out, always cut it out. Never use the passive where you can use the active. But he also says, if your writing still looks monstrous after following these rules, you should break all the rules. Option D, William Strunk, who is well known for his celebrated book, The Elements of Style, which was later edited and expanded by E.B. White. And this is my favorite piece of advice from this beautiful book. Write with nouns and verbs, the crux, not adjectives and adverbs, the decoration. If you are interested in improving your writing, this can be the best book to start with. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to this channel for further updates. Have a nice day.